In today's fast-paced world where precision, accuracy, and clarity are essential for businesses ranging from architecture and engineering to marketing and advertising, the right tools can make all the difference. But have you ever found yourself struggling with mediocre printing quality, slow speeds, or cumbersome workflows, when all you need is a reliable and high-performance large-format printer that can deliver professional-grade results efficiently and effectively? Well, let me tell you, the stakes are high, and the competition is fierce. But what if I told you there's a solution that's been making waves in the industry? One that boasts top-notch features and unparalleled support to match its impressive capabilities. The HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter printer is that solution. It's a game-changer designed specifically for professionals who require precise, accurate, and high-quality wide or large format prints, time and time again. So, what makes this device so special, and how does it address the market needs that others have failed to meet? One of the most obvious pain points in the industry is the lack of reliable, high-performance large format printers that can deliver consistent results across various applications. Architects, engineers, construction professionals, and even marketing agencies need a device that can output technical line drawings, crisp text, and vibrant images with ease. The HP DesignJet T650 ticks all these boxes, boasting a 36-inch wide media roll capacity, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications, from poster printing to large format maps. Upon unboxing the HP DesignJet T650, the first thing that strikes you is its sleek, modern design, which exudes quality and sophistication. The robust metal frame, durable construction, and ergonomic controls all attest to its professional-grade build quality. The device is incredibly easy to set up, with a comprehensive user manual and a user-friendly interface that makes navigating its various features a breeze. One of the standout features of the HP DesignJet T650 is its impressive print resolution, which clocks in at an astonishing 2400 by 1200 dpi. This level of resolution ensures that line quality is impeccable, with precise and accurate rendering of even the most intricate designs. Add to this its robust 5-color ink system, consisting of 2 blacks, cyan, magenta, and yellow, and you get a device that can produce a wide range of colors with incredible depth and vibrancy. In addition to its exceptional print quality, the HP DesignJet T650 is also incredibly fast, capable of producing up to 12 pages per minute in draft mode and up to 2 pages per minute in high-quality mode. This level of speed is a game-changer for businesses that demand rapid turnaround times and high productivity. The device also supports a wide range of media types, including glossy and matte paper, as well as vinyl and canvas, making it incredibly versatile. But let's not forget about the most crucial aspect of any hardware purchase: support. The HP DesignJet T650 comes with a comprehensive 5-year warranty, including on-site and remote support, device service, and HP parts, to ensure that any issues are resolved quickly and efficiently. This is music to the ears of businesses that require minimum downtime and maximum reliability. So, how does the HP DesignJet T650 fare in real-world testing? In practice, this device delivers on its promises, producing stunning prints that are sure to impress even the most discerning professionals. Its robust build quality and ergonomic controls make it incredibly easy to use, even for those with limited technical know-how. The device's speed and print quality are also impressive, making it an ideal choice for businesses that require rapid turnaround times and high-quality output. Of course, no review is complete without discussing the pros and cons. On the plus side, the HP DesignJet T650 boasts an impressive set of features, including its high-resolution print engine, robust 5-color ink system, and fast print speeds. Its comprehensive 5-year warranty and on-site support also provide peace of mind for businesses that demand reliability and minimal downtime. On the downside, the device is quite bulky, making it a challenge to fit into smaller spaces. Additionally, its high price point may be a barrier for some businesses with tighter budgets. When it comes to competing options, The HP DesignJet T650 stands head and shoulders above its competitors, boasting superior print quality, faster speeds, and a more comprehensive warranty. Devices like the Epson Workforce Pro and the Canon ImagePrograph Pro 200, while competent in their own right, simply can't match the HP DesignJet T650's level of performance and support. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T650 large format 36-inch plotter printer is a game changer for businesses that demand professional-grade large format prints. Its impressive set of features, including its high-resolution print engine, robust 5-color ink system, and fast print speeds, make it an ideal choice for architects, engineers, construction professionals, and marketing agencies alike. With its comprehensive 5-year warranty and on-site support, you can rest assured that any issues will be resolved quickly and efficiently. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your printing capabilities today with the HP DesignJet T650. Your business will thank you.